do we still mandate that they use their annual leave even if they have a carryover policy? Second question is, some companies lapse their annual leave if they don't take it within 2 years. Is that allowed?
Okay, I'm going to answer the second question first, because that's something that we always try to highlight as much as possible. Companies need to know that the leaves do not disappear. Okay, if the leave lapses and the carry forward has already been for 2 years and they're not able to carry it forward even more, which means that the employee cannot use it, the company will have to pay the employee. So for companies to understand and HR individuals to know, there are only two options when it comes to leaves. Either the employee uses them or they get paid in lieu. Now, the difference in terms of timing has to do with when you'll be able to have whether both options or just one. So for example, if I'm planning my employees' leaves, and that's to answer the first question too, even if I'm allowing them to carry forward, because I know, for example, if as a company we've decided that we want to allow employees to carry forward only 5 days of leave. So if I ask them to plan their leaves in advance and to make sure they take their leaves minus the 5 carry forward that they want to, that means that I will avoid having leaves that I have to pay them in lieu. Because if they do not end up taking the leaves other than the carry forward, then I have to pay them. Now, companies can either pay in lieu of the leaves, unused leaves, either on a yearly basis or at the time of final settlement. That at the end of the day is up to the company. Most companies opt to pay it at final settlement. However, again, they do not just cease to exist. So please make sure that you either make sure that the employees take their leaves or that you're accounting on the fact that you're going to have to pay them in lieu of these leaves.